We've just heard the results of the election, and I don't know which side you were rooting for, but clearly Barack Obama will be our president for another 4 years unless some sort of legislative action happens to remove him or some unexpected change occurs. But we have some people who are very, very excited, and lots of people who are very, very stressed and depressed and concerned that this is going to be the end of life as they know it. Well, I'm here to tell you that there is lots of reason to be hopeful that our future is going to be wonderful. And I don't need to go into all that, but I do want to tell you, dealing with the stress that you have about things that are out of your control is a big deal. I don't know if you know the Serenity Prayer, but in all 12-step recovery programs, it's a big deal. And it has to do with asking your higher power to give you the serenity to accept the things you can't control. Courage to change the things you can, and the wisdom to know the difference. The results of an election, once you voted, that's out of your hands. So let it go. And exercise is awesome for that. If you're feeling a little stressed out, a little bit of exercise, stretch your legs, 10 to 20 minutes of walking, get your heart rate up till you start to feel it pound, you're a little bit breathless, and then back off to where you feel your heart's a little bit rested for 2 minutes, and then go back up. That's called interval exercise. When you're thinking about possibly a little bit of a blue mood, like you're depressed, and you know that this is out of your hands, but you really can't control the blueness, you can always talk to your doctor about that and get some medication. That's a reasonable thought, but if you don't want to go to that level and you're thinking about a natural treatment for depression, SAM-E is reasonable, very safe. It's a B vitamin type of nutrient, or St. John's wort. St. John's wort, you take a couple capsules a couple times a day, and it acts much like an antidepressant drug and supports your neurotransmitters, and it makes you much less stressed and depressed. Always with your doctor, get that worked out. If you're having any plans of surgery, St. John's wort can cause some problems there with anesthesia, so St. John's wort needs to be taken carefully in that context. But other than that, the election's the election, and these things will come and go. But the stress and the mood stuff that comes with it is something that you can get a hold of. So exercise, maybe a little SAM-E, stretch your legs, maybe some St. John's wort. Always get with your doctor because we're better together.